You're watching Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. A few episodes ago here on Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle, I showed you how to make vegan gluten-free steak with one single vegetable ingredient that is accessible and affordable. Now I'm going to reshape the recipe and make vegan gluten-free Calabrian sausages. Let's go to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make vegan gluten-free Calabrian sausages using one ingredient that just might surprise you. It calls for the same recipe for gluten-free Seitan I showed you how to make on a previous episode of Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle when we made vegan steak. A can of peas. In a food processor, combine 1 can or 1 3/4 cups cooked peas, 3 tablespoons tamari, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon sweet paprika, 4 tablespoons psyllium husk powder. At this point we add a teaspoon of fennel seeds and 4 peperoncini, crushed. I use this cute, stylish crusher dispenser to avoid getting the pepper on my hands, which is a little risky, if you're not attentive to wash your hands immediately and not touch your eyes or your face after handling the peperoncino. So you can get this in the episode description below. I'm a very hot woman, so if you like it less spicy, you can add only 2 peperoncini or omit them altogether. You can make it without the fennel or add your own favorite seasonings. I'm making Calabrian to honor my heritage. And blend. Add a splash of water to help blend, and mix until you have a compact dough with no lumps. Using a sheet of plastic wrap, shape the mixture to form a loaf. Remove the dough from the plastic and wrap it in parchment paper. Make it nice and snug so it maintains its shape and doesn't expand. Next, wrap the package in aluminum foil. Don't worry about aluminum seeping into your food, as the parchment will keep it from touching. Wrap it firmly and twist the ends to seal it. Place the wrapped sausages in your steamer for an hour. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. Unwrap the seitan, removing it from both the foil and the parchment. Look at how beautifully it formed, and its consistency is just like glutinous seitan. Combine the marinade ingredients: a 1/4 cup tamari, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 tablespoon smoked paprika, and stir. Immerse the fillets, coating them on both sides. Heat 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil in a skillet on medium-low. Add 2 garlic cloves and peperoncini. Remove the seitan from the marinade and place it in the frying pan. Cook each seitan steak on both sides until golden brown. Let it rest 5 minutes before serving. Just look at how it slices. So meatily. You can use these sausages in any recipe that calls for sausage. I made this traditional Calabrian pasta dish, filea, with a simple spicy tomato sauce and the sausages, and peperoncino. Grill your sausages and put them on a bun. Mine is gluten-free, dressed with lettuce, crispy shallots, some fresh basil leaves, glazed with peperoncini preserves. When you make these recipes, post your photos and videos on social media and tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle, and I'll give you a shout out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, tap the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this episode, like and share it. Tap on notifications to be the first to know when a new episode or content drops. Level up with LVL and live your best vegan life.